Good morning, everybody. My name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am here this morning to make bulletproof coffee. I have, of course, my water, my cup here, and I'm going to use instant coffee this morning, which I got from the Dollar Tree. And this coffee is pretty good. I normally drink Folgers or either Maxwell House, but I thought I would give this a try, instant. And I have been getting the cups too in this brand, for my Keurig. But this coffee does taste pretty good, even though it is instant. And then I am going to add some ghee to my coffee and Stevia, 3 packs of Stevia, and MCT Oil. And I am going to use half and half creamer. I don't use the heavy whipping cream. I prefer to use half and half. So let me go ahead and put my hot water into my cup. And I am going to show you guys how I am going to make my bulletproof coffee. Stay tuned. Okay. Now that my hot water is in my cup, go ahead and unplug my coffee maker, because this is going to be 1 cup for this morning. So I normally put about 2 tablespoons. Because I don't want my coffee to taste, watery. If I don't add enough instant coffee to my water, it kind of tastes watery. So I wanted that flavor. So let me go ahead and add my 3 packs of Stevia. Then I'm going to add some ghee, butter, and you can get the butter from Walmart. It won't be in the butter section. It will be in the oil section. And this is what it looks like. I know a lot of people thinking that putting butter in your coffee is really strange, but I tell you guys, this is good. It's good. So I'm going to put about this much over in my coffee. Okay, make sure it melts in there really good. Yeah, this bulletproof coffee gives you energy. It really gives you energy. It also controls your appetite. I don't eat anything some mornings. I don't eat anything until 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the evening, because that's how long it holds me over. I don't even think about eating at time. So now that the butter is melted, I'm going to add some creamer, which is half and half. I like lots of cream. Then I'm going to add my MCT oil. I have a little left. If you guys can see about that much. I got to order some more. I ordered mine off of Amazon. And you also can get some, you know, from Walmart. So that's about a tablespoon of oil. So you guys, it's about 7:30 in the morning. So I'm going to go ahead and start my morning off with some coffee. Now, there you have it, your bulletproof coffee. So you guys, thank you all so much for watching. And if you want to make this bulletproof coffee, go ahead and use this recipe, and I guarantee you will have energy and it will curb your appetite. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.